And stella sa batswadi sa hore scarfing se sa save you ba sekolo ma ya re tla di gift le tla romela di tšhelete la tinya la kwana e bile e tlogetse last year, you know.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Petro Makufani for those who don't know me. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today guys, I'm gonna prepare lunch for my siblings. I'm hoping to give a quick simple meal. I didn't have most of the ingredients, so get it ordered from ASAP. For the first time, and I don't know how it's gonna come out. I also ordered this purity because I wanted this container making chili oil, and I don't have a small container, right? So I'm gonna eat this and use the container.
Like this, only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you know what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Do you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl. few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only felt like months. Life goes fast when you do what you want. Time for what you want. Hope you do what you want.
I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So confused, won't you?
I'm gonna play Rima for a bit and I want us to talk about something. Taba ya rena banyana ya re le trekela di gift, le romela di tšhelete, la tinyana a kwanayo. E bile e tlogetse last year, you know? You'll be posting pictures and roses, lady bang barking notifications, it papa money in, and then can't go in you, which urumeji money or chalitor ahurumel. Mara, why did I so much? Why? Because I'm really concerned. Young stress at that. Why literally kalama blom? Why little? Because you can just find a man. But no. You know about Thomas, Mahola Kawana, the Chachalina, Lava Romela Rawa. And Romelia baby so that I can post. Who does that, Mar? Let's hear about Marlena. I hope little last year. Because Gary 14. I can go to Jamoli Papa post. I'm like, oh, my man did this. Oh, my man gave me this much. Oh, he bought me flowers and whatnot. What's the word? Very. Would dedicate you in the gym. What's the word? Very more. Please buy this for me. That's not how we do it. Rather, find a man that can actually do it for you. Or find a man that almost done the things out. Because we know. That's the boring part, we know. And we know. That's the boring part. I hope little last year. Or lapping when I go to the ban. Or lapping, leasing, the curing, the clashing them balrobali. Because you're not real. It will pale, little palaluma holar, little palaluma podis, little palaluma podis, a little really. You're palaluma already. So, yeah. I hope you win. I can't go to the like no. But I need something to drink. I'm just gonna pour orange juice.
It's so quiet, but I hear you. Say it to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The time you wasn't really waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something? Show you something, give you more than what we had in this place. Know that you are loved, even if you don't love yourself.
pipe. I'm making a lot of noise. Okay, wait. Alright. Then okay, pipe, I'm making a lot of noise. And when I'm hoping I'll give you Valentine. I'm not sure if it's gonna watch this vlog, Mara. I can have Valentine because I want to talk with you. When you work at I'll give you Valentine. Edit. But I know one. I think this is almost the time. I'm gonna edit it. Not. A bit of mac and cheese. Yeah. Just a bit. Okay. Wash the dishes, wipe the floor, and I'm showing the feature. Most of all will reach, so let's quickly do that.
You gotta do is say yes. Nothing about what you feel, baby. I dress you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you made me so. All you gotta do is say nothing about what you feel, baby. I dress you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you made me so. You made me so.
Calm down, she could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. But we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. Need about the through your soul to your body and live, man. Me have to thank God for the journey to just to the plus. Yeah. My gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall from my return.
let me tell you my story. That's how blessings upon me. And that's how I'm gonna give him the top. I'm in the light. Jah knows I'm a person ignited. But the music get me excited. I'm coming like a potion. Blessings all for my life, man. But I'm burning to dust to dust. Gratitude is a must. Blessings all for my life.
And still sa batswadi sa hore skafting se sa save you ba sekolo ma o bo sekolong o tshwere di-bag di a go roba di tletse juice phumerile ka gara dipuku wa tse gore mantaga ba ile go mane o fihla o re bula skafting o tlo kgwetsa ice cream ga wa batswadi ba re ba tlo le spoil a re wa bula varakatla o kgwetsa morogo wa mphodi o tletse skafting o gatlhile a o na letswai mara batswadi ba jwang a re fetse o tla a re latlheng because a kgonagale aowa
We have to give thanks like we're really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. But thank God for the journey, that's the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings all from our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they club to be low at one time? Sit down in a class and we put that only see the road and me go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it warmed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits and you sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say, I feel so down. Saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to your body and live, man. Yeah.
So yeah, I'm done cleaning the space, I'm done cooking, we are done. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on my next one.